Topsy Turvy Snowville, Climate Adventures. In the heart of Snowville, an unusual winter event unfolded, flipping the town upside down one frosty morning. This topsy-turvy scenario, while unexpected, brought the townsfolk together for a day of adventure. Aiden and Amelia, recognizing the changes, saw an opportunity to teach about climate change. They explained how unpredictable weather events like this could result from the changing climate. Despite the chaos, they shared ways to enjoy the moment responsibly. The townspeople, while having fun, discussed the unpredictability of weather due to climate change. They highlighted the importance of taking climate actions to stabilize weather patterns. When winter restored order, Snowville returned to normal, but the townsfolk remembered the valuable lesson. Aiden and Amelia emphasized that unpredictable weather is a sign of climate change. They urged everyone to take steps toward a more sustainable future to minimize such events. The moral of the story is that even amidst chaos, find joy and unity. The mischievous snow day in Snowville taught Aiden and Amelia that unexpected moments can bring us together. Embrace change and learn from it. Use these moments to talk about climate change and inspire actions. Every experience, even the topsy-turvy ones, can teach us valuable lessons about unity and climate awareness.